Hello everybody and welcome to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Deltanet account or your Delta Airlines employee login. So for those people who do not know what Deltanet is, don't worry, Deltanet and Delta employee login is the similar thing, alright? If you're an employee of Delta Airlines, you need to come to Deltanet in order to log in into your employee account, because Deltanet is a high performance tool designed to give Delta people immediate access to the company's news and information they need to be informed and maximize productivity. So that's basically what Deltanet does. It's basically for Delta employees, all right? So if you're not an employee of Delta Airlines, then you can log in into it. But if you're an employee and you know the login details, then you can easily do that. So just follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Deltanet Login. After you search for Deltanet Login, you want to click on Sign in Delta Login. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login page of Deltanet. Once you're over here, you need to enter your Delta login details or your PPR. I don't know what PPR is, but if you're like an employee of Delta Airlines, you might know what PPR is, all right? Just enter it over here. And after you do that, enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account over here, you need to click on Sign in. And if the information entered over here, both your PPR or your username or your password you entered is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Delta Airlines employee account or your Deltanet account. But if you guys are having trouble signing in, you can click on trouble signing in over here and it'll help you fix your problem as well, alright? So hope you guys understand on how you guys can log in into your Deltanet account or your Delta Airlines employee account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching our channel One to Step, and peace out.